In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers in this phone. So at first you can use a secret code. To do it, you need to enter your phone dialer and then enter *#, 06 pound. And that's it. As you can see, IMEI number is right in front of you. And then if you want to locate IMEI number via settings, and you will find their serial number as well, you just open list of follow-ups, go to the settings then, and pick system. Here select about phone, and now you need to click on status. And as you can see, serial number is right here, and if you click on IMEI information, you will be able to find those IMEI numbers, both of them right here. And this is it. These are the ways that you can locate your IMEI number and also serial number with. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.